So, right, guys. So we have a German-made dishwasher, and I'm going to tell you. So the machine is German. Next, that you have on off a delay timer. Will only start in this kind of time if you put it on. This is a half load. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cycles in it. This puts probably, I think it puts it this way, that puts it that way. Let's just demonstrate. Yeah, it beeps if you do that. There's a check water, salt, and a rinse aid light. Start and reset in 3 seconds. The washing and then the drying. Open it up. So, I want your opinion. Have I loaded this correctly? Because, I'll tell you, this, I think I have loaded it correctly. And this is the kind of loads we have pretty much daily. Let's just open this up. Oh, look at that. This. So, that, I know, it does clean if you do this. I've done it ages, and it still cleans. There's another, plate there. We've got a grater. It is dirty. It's got cheese where the bottom bit is. Here we have a huge salad bowl, but we used it for, what is it? We've used it for tuna. Then we've got a few cups, a mug, another cup. Yeah. And then that massive pan, which we cooked jacket potatoes in. We've got a few, knives and spoons and forks. So tell me, do you think that's loaded properly? Because I most certainly do. Sorry if this camera's not the best. It is off my phone after all. In fact, I've always been filming off my phone with most YouTube videos. I will get proper equipment soon, but not just yet, because I don't have the money yet. Here we have a few caps, which came off these tuna chunks. We've got some more cups. That's a new one as well, but we have been using it. And then another mug just right at the back there. Do you think I've loaded this properly? Give you a closer look there. Get a close up. Now I usually put on a normal cycle, so yeah. Now, one, I already know the sprayer doesn't hit that pan. I can even demonstrate. See, it spins completely freely. And the lower that sprayer, it's right there, as you can see. That one will spray freely as well. Demonstrate that now. See that? It spins freely. Excuse me. Got kind of ill. Yeah. We actually do have a freshener. Smells brilliant. That's lemon smell. Let's get the finished tablet. Don't judge me for where it is, because we just don't really put them. I know this thing's odd, but I keep it in my own view. What are we using? What kind of finish? if you ask. Well, we use a finished Powerball Supercharged. It's the all-in-one deep clean. Cut through the grease. I get 26 tablets. This was $5 at the cooperative shop. If you want to know what it's called, it's actually called Rainbows, but they've changed the name. There we go. Look at that. That's the wrapper it comes in. Sorry guys. I can't clear my voice. Really annoying, by the way. Actually quite annoying. Now, don't I know where it goes? Now, there's no pre-wash area unless you put the pre-wash on here. But we don't do that. Not very often anyways. Smells great, this tablet, but do not eat it because it's not sweet. Yeah, kind of powdery, isn't it? Oh, and if you have these kinds of finished tablets, wash, like I think many people will know to do this, is wash your hands. Oops, wrong button. There, got it on there. Now it's ready to be switched on. And for the last time I'll tell you is it's a Neff. It even recommends finish, so yeah, we'll put in. And now it's ready to, now it's going to start washing. Thanks for watching this. And again, do you think I've overloaded or loaded it correctly? Because I think I haven't. But, you know, I want your opinions. So, yeah, see ya. And thanks for watching.